This video will explain the manual grading process for fiber end faces using the Inspect software from ODM. According to the IEC's International Fiber Testing Standard Document number 61300-3-35, there are three acceptable methods for performing fiber inspection. These are A. Direct view optical microscopy, B. Video microscopy, which is the focus of this video, and C. Automated analysis microscopy. ODM's VIS 400 inspection scope provides options for performing fiber inspection using both methods B and C. There are some situations where manual analysis of fiber end faces is preferred over automated analysis. These include situations where a connector has been improperly polished but is still functional, or when a customer requires proof of fiber grading expertise from a test technician. In fact, the manual grading method is the widely preferred method, except in cases where the user lacks the proper knowledge to employ it effectively. To begin inspecting fiber end faces using the manual method, open the Inspect application from ODM and navigate to the Test Settings tab at the top of the window. Check under Video Source to ensure that the VIS 400 camera is selected. Then select Manual under the Analysis Mode header. Choose the fiber type and IEC profile which will be used, then navigate to the main Inspect tab. On the main Inspect screen, obtain a clear, focused image of the fiber end face to be tested. If there is visible debris in and around the core cladding area, clean the end face using your preferred method. Please note that fiber optic end faces should not be cleaned if they are already clean. The following flowchart illustrates the process for performing the recommended amount of cleanings for dirty fiber optic end faces. To begin, inspect the fiber end face. If the image is clean and free of defects, save the image or make the connection. If debris or defects are seen on the end face, clean it using a dry clean method. After cleaning, inspect the end face again. Any cleaning performed on the fiber end face must be followed by inspection. Do not clean an end face and then make a connection without inspecting. After this inspection, make the connection if the end face is clean or clean it using a dry clean method. Remember that inspection always follows cleaning, and you can make your connection if clean. If the end face is still not clean, perform the third dry cleaning, then inspect the end face. If you have performed 3 dry cleans and the end face is still not acceptable, move on to the wet dry cleaning method. Inspect after performing the wet dry cleaning, then make the connection or perform another wet dry cleaning. If the fiber end face is determined to be acceptable, make the connection. If not, the end face can be reported as fail and can be escalated through the appropriate channels. To freeze the image for grading, click the Magnify and Center button. The grading circles can be placed on the image by clicking the Show button. To center the grading circles, right-click in the center of the core on the fiber end face, or click the Locate button. The grading circle location can be fine-tuned using the arrow keys on the keyboard. To adjust the grading circle size, use the scroll wheel on the mouse, or hold the Control key on the keyboard and use the up and down arrow keys. The circles must be placed so that the 2 yellow circles are on either side of the border of the fiber cladding. If the small Drag Here box is not visible, click the Home button to place it in the bottom right corner of the fiber end face image. This semi-transparent box contains sample defects which can be compared to a table containing specifications for the amount of debris allowable within each zone on the fiber end face. These specification tables can be found in ODM's build-specific user guides or in the Inspect software under the Help tab. Simply select a zone definition template and click Open to bring it up. Let's use a dirty fiber as an example for using this table. Let's say that this fiber has been cleaned the appropriate number of times and I've deemed that the debris in the contact zone here is non-movable. I would reference the correct zone definition document to see what defects are allowable within that zone. In this case, the zone cannot contain any defects larger than 10 microns in diameter. I'll click on the Drag Here box to bring it next to the defect in question. As we can see, the defect is larger than the allowable size, so this end face would fail. For perfectly clean fiber end faces, it may not be necessary to use the drag here box. If the end face is completely clean or it passes according to the corresponding zone definition table, click the Pass button to place the pass stamp on the image. Before saving, be sure that the image contains the pass stamp, the grading circles placed correctly, and the drag here box. If those elements are visible, click the Capture Image button. Saved end face images can be converted into VIS reports for closeout reporting. The manual grading method is a powerful tool for test technicians looking for fast, reliable fiber inspection. Use of this method complies with the IEC standard and assures that technicians will maintain a more complete technical knowledge of fiber inspection requirements.
Find out more at Vicom's website.